Good evening, One Sports. We're looking at our traffic method. We've done one of the old school ones, the mailers, which do work. We get leads every day from them. And here is another one. So back on the 1990s, making money would be forums. You'd answer questions, which works and still does work with Warrior Forum and Quora, and this is classified. This is one of the oldest ones and one of the biggest free ad forum. Some people think content water writes, but if you look at AI video, you can use that software just to it writes it for you. I think I've said yes a while ago. So just read it, which every affiliate marketer should do. The free ad forum, free classified ads, post free ads, promote affiliate products, affiliate sales, free ad forum. It's really repeating the same thing. So that this is a good site for it. It caters for ads. I mean, back in maybe 2000s, you would have Craigslist or Craig. It's American, make a fool of can make a fool of me. But used to be able to post on there, but they're not real into it now, so it's not really the best idea. But this site's catering for you to do ads. I know there's Live Good, a lot of people are promoting that, so that's an ad. So you can, I think you can pay for it to have it like they're doing. So you can do search, you can search any category, maybe you do drop shipping or something like that. And then it's just really got what's down here. You can choose that you're perhaps in real estate or something. So you can be specific. But look what we've got here: work from home, 4,000. What's that? So that's quite a lot. It's 45,891 posts. So you just click on that one. And then if we look here, we have got some ads. So you can even just look at them to see what they're writing and what works. So unlock the potential to earn passive income while you sleep. Click on that. He's published it. That's been last year in the United States. That's this ad there. So you can see how they do it. But I say with AI, they writes it as a copywriter. And then if you click on that, that's a link to their website. So that's basically how you get traffic. So there's just 1,200 listings. So there's quite a lot of people doing that. So here's all these ads. So just try and come out of that. So you can choose all different sections. It just depends on what your business is. If you don't have a business but you're wanting to promote something, we have an amazing opportunity being a lifetime founding partner. So you can take a look at our business, and then after that you can use this site. Or perhaps you're not interested in that, you have a business, and this is a method maybe you've not heard about because it's old school. The old school usually is the best. So you you log in. The point of that would be once you've got the ad, you can see it, and it's good to track. You should really track your leads. So in our system, we build your own page, your own system, and actually emails as well. Email marketing. So maybe do a video on that of what different types of emails work. So that'd be purpose of logging in to see what ads you've got, what you've published. But before you can log in, you'd register a free account. I've already got one for that. So it's publish your ad for free. Don't even know if I know login details. um, or what even it was. So we can we just do register a free account. See if we can work this one out. I'm not a robot, so you've always to click all the stuff. See, we can. So someone's not letting me do it just now. I need to verify I can do it on this video, but it's really just publishing an ad for free and really just posting it. I don't know if it even lets us. More prepared, but these are some of the example ones. So it's really a good idea to use this site, and you can post as many ads as you want, or even consider paying a few dollars a month to have it shown at the top. So if you want to take a look at this one, we'll put the link in the description, and also our business, I'll put that there as well. So hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye for now.